Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you're watching us from. You're welcome to this platform this morning. We are going to discuss the latest development taking place right now in Kano State, where we have a lot of rising tension between the two emirs now that have emerged seeking for one throne. How can two emirs be in one throne? The controversial situation was developed as a result of the Governor Abba Yusuf taking a decision and enacting an appeal, that repealed what was on ground before, that allowed Sanusi to get back to the throne as the Emir of Kano, the 16th Emir of Kano. And of course, the 15th Emir of Kano acted on the court injunction and decided to return to part of the kingdom over there, and there has been a kind of fight over who is going to be recognized as the next emir of Kano. From what we are developing story, it is quite unfortunate, and we have seen reactions coming from the former Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria talking about Atiku Abubakar and the other eminent Nigerians also trying to put their foot, and clear themselves, of the understanding of what is happening in Kano State. The developing stories over there has created a lot of tension and divided Kano Emirates more. The other party is on the side of Mohammed Sanusi, and the other one is on the side of Ado Bayero. How this thing is going to unfold at the end of the day is going to left so many Nigerians wondering what is going to become the fate of Kano any moment from now. There's a heavy tension building up there, and the military has been deployed around the Kano, and of course within the palace, of these great sons of Kano. The Ado Bayero said that Sanusi should obey the law, nobody's above the law, and Sanusi is saying, no, I can't go down from the throne, and then I'm already seated because it was ratified by the Kano State House of Assembly, and it had the consent and support of other powerful traditional council in Kano State. But the governor himself have not come out to fully react after we've seen the commissioner of police in that state defying the governor himself when he ordered for the arrest, even though the governor came out and said, no, I never ordered for the arrest of Ado Bayero. The two emirs seeking for one throne now is at each other's throat. So how is going to unfold later of the day? But the Atiku Abubakar and of course other eminent Nigerians has warned the federal government on the sensitivity of Kano in the political atmosphere of Nigeria. That Kano is very sensitive, and anything that ignites Kano, will take over, will spread all over Nigeria, and that will be the beginning of and the downfall of Nigeria at the end of the day. How this thing is going to unfold, the Osman Dafodio Caliphate empire, is already on fire as I'm talking to you now. Whether it's going to collapse or not, it's left for Nigeria to see how the drama is going to unfold at the end of the day. But what I came here to tell you is this, a lot of people are saying that Sanusi shouldn't have returned to the throne in the first place. Maybe he would have just eased himself and find another way, by which he can also have a moment with himself, trying to create more career for himself. He's a bit liberal, he's going to support liberalization of the entire Kano State, and of course, be able to separate religion from politics as it's here among the northern faithfuls. And of course, Ado Bayero is seen as a bit extreme, and he has the support of so many people, based on his understanding of Islam. So it's a serious affair as it stands now, and whatever Gaduje is going to do, whatever APC is going to do, well, whatever the Kwankwasia movement is going to do, well, a lot of people have also fingered the National Security Advisor, talking about Nuhu Ribadu, who has distanced himself. But serious fingers has been pointing towards direction, because it looks like the whole thing has become purely a political movement ahead of 2027. How that is going to happen, Nigerians are still waiting to see, who going to sit on the throne comfortably at the end of the day. But don't take it from this platform today that will keep on giving you details on developments in Kano State as it stands now. Everybody is confused. The whole world is confused. Is the Sanusi, the governor of Kano State, Abba Yusuf, going to obey the court order? Are they going to obtain another court injunction from another court? A lot of people are saying that the judge that has issued that court order at the end of the day should also be arrested. But the man is there doing his job. Of course, Nigeria is a lawless country. That's what they are saying. Because we knew that when such a thing happened to Sanusi in the past, Sanusi gently walked away from the palace at the end of the day and allowed that peace to reign in Kano State. But this time around, we are seeing the hands of Kaduje. Of course, you can't say the kind of federal government backing, because whatever happens in Kano, under AMPP as the governor, will also go as long as shaping how the political atmosphere is going to be, in 2027. You can see there's going to be a lot of realignment. You can see PDP, trying to partner, have a coalition with NPP. We are seeing Labour Party, trying to spread its tentacle within that. A lot of matters is going to take place, and the APC are jittery, and Nigerians are watching at news develop. Thank you. Keep on watching this platform as we continue to bring you latest development in all of everything within the Nigerian political sector. Thank you for watching.